This hippo chased down a boat and broke its motor. A giant squid was curious and started grabbing onto this person's surfboard.
Why?
These fishermen had a close encounter with a bear.
Looking for a perfect snare. What the is this? Oh my god, there's a bird.
Wow.
This paraglider was coming in for a landing and was instantly attacked by a gang of kangaroos.
What's up, Skip? Hey, let go! Let go! Go away!
He's just nice. He doesn't know.
Oh, it's okay. Come back.
They will. Look, he just has to... Yeah.
This person got a little too close to a whale and almost got slapped. He heard something outside his door but didn't know what it was. These fishermen in Alaska were on the docks when the unexpected happened.
He's coming up right here, dude.
This police officer tried to stop a crocodile with a towel. So, I guess you're supposed to hide your face and lie down when you encounter a wild gorilla.
Go down, sit down. Sit down, you are safe. Don't worry. Sit down, keep shooting. It's okay. Oh, no.
Elephants in the wild are learning to surprise and ambush cars to look for food. A swarm of monkeys took over the streets of a city in Thailand.
Because he's hunting.
So stay. Sean, stay.
Look.
These tourists got a little too close to this buffalo.
Oh.
This guy had to pull over to watch these two lynxes yell at each other.
This is so freaking cool.
Oh, jeez.